Hi, I'm going to show you how all the new autocorrect options. The first one is text. So you can create a text box from the tools menu, and then you can right click it and say add answers and points, and how many points, and then what is the right answer. You can have several separated by semicolons. For the second one, the drop zone, I'll create some tiles. So I'll open the tile factory. I'm going to create 2 tiles and mark students can clone, and then move the tiles to the right place uh, so the students have it. Then I'll go to the tools menu and pick drop zone. This is new. The drop zone is where the tiles or any images can be dropped and auto corrected. And then I can create a sentence around it. I said I have or I had a good day, if you want to talk about the past. So, and then put a arrow so that kids know. And then you want to make coins. With coins, you want to make $1.05, right? So we make, if that is the question. And then again, I go to the drop zone, and then I put a drop zone area where the drag and drop can happen for the coins. From the manipulatives, I can just pick the coins, like a 5 cent and a 25-cent coin, resize it if I want to, and then say students can clone. Okay, and now to set up the answers, you use the infinite cloner, put the answers as you want in the drop zone. As the teacher, you put all the answer coins, and then right click and say in the drop zone and say add answers and points, right? So you just add 1 point for this, the tile automatically disappears. Add another answer for the coins, points for the, and they also disappear. And that's it. Now when you invite your students, so this is the student view. When they join, they'll be given the full board. They can type in the text answers. They can use the move tool to move, to automatically clone and put the coins as well as the tiles in the drop zone, right? And when they put all the right coins in there, and they can say signal to the teacher, I'm done. The teacher can correct the whole page or a single student's page by clicking in the open class boards, correct this page, and see it can correct everything. And it can even correct images from the internet, so it's quite powerful. Thank you.